Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. This is an entry-level gaming laptop from ASUS. The model which I have is a Strix G531GT from ROG series. ROG stands for Republic of Gamers. It has a very cool looking packaging with the ROG logo and Strix branding at the bottom. On the side it has model number and some serial numbers. On the back side hazard label and some manufacturing details. Other side we have G edition and Intel logo. So let's quickly unbox it and see what we get inside. I'm keeping it aside for a moment and check what else we get inside. So we got a charging adapter which is a 150 watt. Here we have some user manuals and quick setup guide. Okay, so let's unwrap this one. The build quality of ROG Strix feels very rugged. It has a brush matte finish which feels very premium and has a glossy ROG logo on top. ASUS has designed this laptop in collaboration with BMW Design Works. The highlight of this laptop is Aura Sync RGB lighting wrapped around bottom to give this laptop a unique look. On the back side it has a cooling vents, Ethernet port, HDMI port and a charging port. On the side it has a 3 USB 3.0 inputs and 3.5 mm audio in and out and stereo speakers. ROG branding is on the bottom as well. This laptop is definitely a head turner. Talking about the keypad, there is no number pad keys, but it gives a big spacious keys with highlighted WASD for gamers. It has a dedicated multimedia keys. The ASUS Aura gives customization option to change the keyboard backlight. Trackpad is placed very nicely and has a left and right buttons. So let's power on the device for the first time. You can see the lighting effect which I was talking about. Looking really cool with this color changing patterns, and I think we got a lot of customization options as well, as which we will see once setup is complete. This laptop comes with a 15.6-inch display. The bezels on the laptops are minimal except on the bottom, and surprisingly it has no webcam. Okay, so by the time initial setup gets complete, let's have a quick look at the specification. It has a 15.6-inch display and it has a i5 9th generation CPU. This laptop comes with a pre-installed Windows 10 and has a 8 GB of RAM which can be expandable up to 32 GB. And also it has a 4 GB of NVIDIA 1650 GTX graphics card. For storage it has a 1 TB of hard drive and 256 GB NVMe SSD. Overall a very good looking laptop with a decent specification. I know this is not a latest generation CPU, but considering the price and my usage I chose this one. I am not a hardcore gamer. I bought this one for video editing purpose and to play the latest edition of Microsoft Flight Simulator. I'm a big fan of the Flight Sim series and tried my hands on FS 2002, 2004 and FS 10, which was released way back in 2006. Since the release of Flight Sim 2020, I couldn't resist myself to touch the sky once again in my own virtual world. I will be uploading Flight Simulator videos very soon, so stay tuned if you are also a Flight Sim fan. Okay, so setup is complete now, and let's check the ASUS Armory crate. On the home page, it gives you options of different performance mode to choose from depending on the usage. Here you can see the different performing mode: silent, which has a noise reduction, increased cooling but a lesser CPU performance. Then you have a turbo mode, which has a very high cooling rate, CPU performance, but with high noise. Also we have Aura Sync. Here we have a lot of options for changing the lighting pattern on keyboard. Like now it is set on music with color changing pattern. Then we have this game visual with different preset modes. This one is default, then racing, scenery we have. This is a game library which you can use it to save your game. This is the profile mode. Okay, so that's it for now, and before ending, let's check out the highlight of this laptop: Aura Sync effect set to music mode.